Today is Wednesday, February 17th. We had a hailstorm come through here a few minutes ago. Winds were kicking up to around 60-70 miles an hour. Got puddles of ice all over the yard. This is where the ice pooled coming off the roof. You can see on top of the roof now, there's still ice up there where it came in from this side. No obvious tree damage. Looks like we have some damage to our rear fence. A lot of ice. And on this side, move quite a bit up on top of the roof in the valley. Again, a lot of ice out here. I don't see any obvious signs of hail damage to the vehicles. It's hard to tell right now though. I see lots of small impacts. I can't tell yet whether there's any damage or not. See the ice inside there. Ice in the rear of the truck. Again, a lot of ice. Looks like snow, but it's not.